Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting with, it is equipped with your 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine and is in your Patriot Blue paint finish. As we come around towards the back here, you can see it is equipped with your backup camera, as you can see right there, as well as your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors just at the bottom of that back bumper. You do have your tonneau cover included on the unit already, so a great accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Coming around towards the passenger side here, you can also see you do have some running boards equipped on the truck, so again, another accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. The truck itself is in your crew cab style, so that means you get plenty of interior space both in terms of your front and back seat. So you can see in the back seat tons of leg room for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have your Ram bin in-floor storage on each side of the back there, so a great little storage feature included for you there. Just to check out some of the features up front here. So you do have your 12-inch touchscreen display, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there as well. So you do of course have access to all your audio media controls, climate controls also built in there as well, navigation, Bluetooth capabilities, and access to just some of these settings and apps included there. Either side of the screen you do have access to your climate control options again, basic audio media controls. Just below that, your trailer brake control. You can toggle your park sense features on and off. USB ports just below that. Tons of storage space in throughout your center console area. Your push button start just in behind, so you can see the key fob for the truck here. Remote starts included, so again, another great little feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side, in behind the steering wheel, audio media controls. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself, allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. All your power windows, locks, side mirrors, memory seats, your power adjustable pedals as well just down there. But you can see this Ram 1500 Laramie is absolutely packed with features. If you're looking for a step up in your next truck, this 1500 could be for you. If you have questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999, or follow the links below.